Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to enable or disable Instagram active status. So the active status is identified by the green color which is shown. So to disable, you need to enter into your profile. Over there you need to click the three line icon and you need to enter into the message and story. Once you enter the message and story, you need to click show active status. Yeah, over here you can disable to turn off your active status and you can enable to turn on your active status. So this is how we need to do. So that's it guys. Now you can see, yeah, our ID cannot be shown, so the active status is disabled. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe Tech2.